To begin your Sendgrid setup, go to the Marketing tab and then click on Email Campaigns. Once you are there, you will find a message saying Configure Sendgrid to start sending emails. Click on Configure Sendgrid. On the next screen, you will see a field that requires your Sendgrid API key in order to proceed. Go to www.sendgrid.com in order to create your account. If this is your first time running through this process, click on Start for free. But if you already have a Sendgrid account, click on Sign In. If you are creating an account, enter the required details, or if you are signing in, enter your username and password before clicking on the Login button. On the next screen, you will be asked for a two-factor code that will be sent to you via text message on the number you have provided when signing up for your Sendgrid account. Enter this code in order to proceed. Next, you will have to create a sender identity. Click on the Create a Single Sender button just below in order to proceed. On the next page, you will be required to enter your details. Fill out the required fields and click on the Create button at the bottom. After clicking on the Create button, your sender identity will be created and you can click on Close. Thereafter, you will receive a verification email in the inbox of the email address you specified as your sender identity. Click on the Verify Single Sender button in the body of the email. You will then be redirected to the Sendgrid site. Click on Return to Single Sender Verification in order to be taken to the verification screen, where your email should show a check mark under the verified column. Navigate to and click on your name on the upper left corner of the Sendgrid dashboard and then click on Setup Guide. Under Integrate using our Web API or SMTP relay, click on Start. Click on the Choose button under the Web API header in order to proceed. You will then be taken to a screen where you will be required to choose the language you want to use from a list of programming languages. Choose PHP. Enter a valid name for your Sendgrid API key in the field provided, then click on Create Key in order to generate your API key. Your API key will be generated and displayed only once, so copy and save it in a secure place first. Return to your Shopespot dashboard and paste your API key in the provided field under Sendgrid Settings before clicking on Save. Return to the Sendgrid page you were on and scroll to the bottom. Check the I've integrated the code above box before clicking on Verify Integration. Once you are taken to the next screen, leave it be and return to your Shopespot dashboard. Go to the Marketing tab and click on Email Campaigns. Click on the plus sign at the upper right-hand corner and select any one of the email templates provided. Type in an email subject and then scroll to the bottom of the page to save the campaign by clicking on the Submit button. Go to the Marketing tab and click on Email Campaigns. Here you will see the campaign you have just created. Click on the Edit icon under the Action column of the very same campaign. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Test Email. Enter an email address you would like to send a test mail to and click on Send Email. Click OK on the pop-up that appears, which should say Email sent successfully. Return to the Sendgrid page you were on last and click on Verify Integration. You should receive a message on screen telling you that it worked. Click on View Email Activity, and once you reach the following screen, click on Show All Activity. Once the page loads, you will be able to view all the emails you have sent and various details about them.